In today's video, I will walk you through how to change Discord About Me. Want to get most out of this tutorial? Sign up using the link in the description below, and let's jump right in. First, open Discord on your computer. You can use the desktop app or Discord in your web browser. Next, look at the bottom left corner of the Discord window. Click the gear icon next to your username to open User Settings. Inside User Settings, find and select Profiles. Depending on your Discord version, this may also appear as User Profile. On the Profile page, look for the About Me section. Click inside the text box and type the bio you want to display on your Discord profile. You can use this space to introduce yourself, mention your interests, or add a short tagline. Keep your bio concise and avoid including sensitive personal information, such as your phone number, email address, or home address. Once you're happy with your About Me section, scroll down and click Save Changes. Your new About Me will now appear on your Discord profile and user card. You can return to the same section anytime to update or change your bio. And that's it. You've learned how to change your Discord About Me by opening User Settings, going to Profiles, editing the About Me section, and saving your changes. And that's how to change Discord About Me. Click the link on the description below. Thank you for watching the video.